have a slime kit and now we're going to make a video. This is foam beads, this is clay, this is activator, this is white glue, this is see-through glue, and this is you can get a popsicle for the paint, and this is extra activator you can make at home, and you can get a charm, a cuting or a eraser, and you get 4 cups and this is a fragrance oil. Guys, now I'm going to make the basic slime, and now we're going to add the white glue. Now it's fully. Now we're going to mix it, and then we're going to add little bit. You have to mix until like there's a ball like that. So now you have to go in with your hands. You can just mix it like this. It's quite fun for kids. It's quite fun for your hands. It's still a little liquidy. You're not going to have to add that much. Like the amount you need, you're not going to need to really overactivate it. This sure is hard and quite fun. This is a very, very large slime with the glue. I think this might be fun for you all. Have a great day, but the video is yet not finished. It's coming all together. Try your best not to overactivate your slime. You're going to take it all quite. So have to mix and mix. Just keep on mixing. It's sure nice. Now this white basic slime is nicely made and glossed up. They click nicely, they stretch nicely, they poke nicely, and they crunch nicely. They are so beautiful. You take a little from the slime we made, and you are going to, you will get a little clay packet and your kind of lotion you have to add. So now I'm going to add the lotion I like, and I'm taking out the clay, and sometimes it might be a little hard. Sometimes it might. It's so nice of getting the clay out. Now you're going to mix all the white clay, but you need lotion. It might be a little. How do you even do this? So guys, so now we can do it. So 1, 2, 3. This slime is very nice as marshmallow. It's something like that, and a clay slime. Every season, it's like something like every season we do slime videos. So they are very nice. Mixing was not quite hard. Now you have to make it into a ball and put it into the box. And now it's done. Now we are going to make the clear glue. Hi guys, now we are going to make the clear glue slime. So now we are going to add all of the glue. Now I'm going to add some activator. And with the clear glue slime, you have to go easy on it. You should not add all the activator, but you have to put all the glue. Make sure there is no glue remaining. You have to mix and mix till it's all right. It is so nice and crusty. Now we may add this. Now we're going to mix it all in, all the fragrance oil. It is so beautiful, and I love this slime. Now I'm going to take the bowl away, and this is our clear glue slime. Our clear glue slime. Hi guys, now this we have to keep it for at least 2 days for it to clear up. It's funny, I guess. They put a little on the other box. Now this is a slime that we made, and now we have added a little pink so that it will be light pink, and now we are going to add these foam beads. First add the slime into the bowl, then you take out the foam beads and add it in. if it has come out, you have to put everything inside. Okay, so now we're going to mix it all in. It's going to be a very, very crunchy slime. We're just making it for a video. It's a very nice slime. Sometimes the foam beads can pop out in the first day, but the second day it might be perfect. It's a very, 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 very crunchy pink slime. You can see that it's very, very crunchy. And add a little of the activator because it is not that activated. It's a very, very, very nice slime. We just made this clear slime. We're just going to color it and put all what we want. Now we're going to take the popsicle stick. It's a very, very nice blue. It's a nice blue. I love it. And we're still painting it. I know that you guys can see that it's so nice. We still have a lot more paint. Okay, now we're going to add the stuff we want to add to it. The confetti. It sure can be messy. It is very, very nice. We are going to add glitter and a charm to this pink butter slime. It's really pretty like that. So now we're going to add the charm. Hi guys, now we are going to mix it all in. Oh, that really is messy. It sure might. Oh, it's hard to touch that place in true known And here the cute little charm is here. Let's take the charm out till we mix this slime. It really looks nice and pretty. Guys, now I have a little bit of the clear slime remaining, this crunchy slime and this butter slime. Now I'm going to make a layered slime. I'm going to put this on top, on the bottom, then the butter slime, and then the clear slime. And then I'm going to add these. So now I am going to add it. Oh, that really was a little messy. Yes, it was. Hi guys, now we made 4 different slimes of this kit, and this is a clay slime. This is a clear slime. This is a crunchy slime, and this is a layered slime. I'm gonna play with the layered slime now. So I'll move these 3 away because I already played with them and showed. This slime is so nice and I love it. It's something like a smoothie. Now you can't see the clear slime because it's clear. It's really nice and I just love this. Okay guys, till next time, happy slime. Have a great time. Have a great night.